The MUT EOD model combines the best of Leatherman's heavy-duty utility tools with the most necessary firearm and EOD tech maintenance options. Built with the AR-15 M16 platform in mind, the features on the MUT EOD also address the needs of breacher and EOD techs. The bolt override tool allows for clearing a piece of brass or live round jammed between the chamber, the charging handle, and the bolt carrier. To clear this malfunction, drop the magazine, insert your bolt override tool onto the bolt carrier, and pull back sharply to the rear. This will clear the round, and your gun will once again be operational. The heavy-duty jaws of the MUT EOD feature military performance Spec cap crimpers and replaceable 154 cm fuse wire cutters. In the body of the tool is a military performance Spec C4 Punch that can be replaced when needed. The hex Torx screwdriver bit on the MUT is extra long and sized specifically to fit both old and new optics rings. Adjustment to an A2 pistol grip and most optic adjustment screws can be made with the extra long 1/4-inch screwdriver, and the opposing Phillips No. 2 is sized for heavy-duty utility work. The shorter Phillips No. 1, 2, and 3/16-inch screwdriver bit is perfect for more general equipment adjustment and keeps the cutters blocked when not in use. The replaceable carbon scraper for cleaning performance-degrading carbon buildup is made of bronze to prevent damage and scarring of parts. The tool is designed to reach all areas of the bolt carrier group with plenty of surface area to clean them quickly. There are both male and female threads on the MUT for attachment and use of your standard cleaning rods and brushes. The MUT also comes with a 1/2-inch and 3/8-inch wrench with 12-point heads for optic systems adjustment, as well as a rugged MOLLE sheath for transport of the tool, wrench, and any extra bits. In addition to the firearm-specific tools, there are the everyday carry utility tools, synonymous with the Leatherman name. Needlenose pliers, regular pliers, saw, bit driver, and hammer make the MUT a perfect all-around field tool. It's the MUT, designed to Leatherman's, the military and law enforcement's rigorous standards for specialized EOD and breacher work. Leatherman, now you're ready.